What's going on, everybody? This is Kenny4547, and we are at the truck stop. I'm about to hook up a dash cam, brand McNally. And now we're going to be recording one more time with the phone since Mother GoPro didn't come in. I do have another one, but I don't have the equipment that I was supposed to have for it. We're going to record out of here. It's a little bit easier for me to do this unboxing like this. So this is your dash cam. I already did pre-unpackaged it for you guys. You've seen it before I did anything, so I know a lot of people were like, you know, for you AMSR unboxing people, I'm sorry, I just have to do this real fast. It's better for me in posting, as you can see. All right, this is so satisfying to just slowly slide the box off here. Wait a minute, don't tease me now. Don't tell me there's more than just one. It is more than one, bruh. This makes me mad. This angers me. I have the 100, don't I? See, I'm always for top of the line, bro, and I end up getting one of the line. I got the 100. I wonder what's the difference between all of them. They look extremely different, though, actually, if you think about it. But with this one, with the specs on this camera here, here it is in white. You do have a 1.5 inch screen. You have 1920 by 1080, so it's 1080p camera here. I'm for frames per second here. This is your camera. Comes nice and wrapped, from what you would see. And I kind of want to put some gloves on here. You may not want to touch it, but here it is, the camera here. Nice feel to it. It's like a it's like a distinctive rubber here. Do I have to peel? Yeah, do I have to peel it right here? I can't tell on the camera. But it looks like you keep it charged here, hanging up. Would hang up where you have it set up at. Or you have an AV out and USB, which is the ones for the old GoPros. I wonder what the newer one is. This is the reset button. I wonder how it works. I have to peel this off first. Anywho, I think this button is for instant record. Does it? I'm just daydreaming at this point because I wish this was what it was. You smack that and just like, yeah, there you go. Because for our truck drivers, you don't need to be fondling with this too much, you know. So I'm gonna put this to the side over here, and we're gonna finish unboxing the rest of this, and then we might set it up really nicely. Some foam here for you guys. The boxing is very sturdy, which I like about this. It doesn't feel like it's made out of somebody just put it together, rushed it together here. And some more of this white packaging right here. Oh, y'all just didn't have it open for this. I just want to tear something up at least. I had to open for the camera, but you could have just did that with the camera. It's my only gripe here, okay? Let's see what this is. And then I get stuck right here. You see that? Yeah. Which I don't want that to happen to the camera. Oh, USB. Oh wow. This is this big old giant bank here. Guess for ground or whatever. Or to keep the cord. I don't ever know what these things are. I remember I read on what it was, but I forgot what it was. But it looks like some kind of inverter power storage thingy. We're gonna put this to the side too. Make this video quickly for you guys. I don't know. Time is upon the essence here. Oh, I like the little mount thing. So you would. How can I extend it or anything? I think I would mount it like that on the windshield, and the camera will hang. Let's hook it up right quick for you guys. See what the heck is going on. That. Okay, so it's a nice little plastic pop. What is this? Oh, ooh. Oh, that's slick. You just turn it to the side instead of doing all of that little pop thing. So you just open it and close. But then for the release here, yeah, that can get really messy. Yeah, it looks like it has some sort of night vision here. I think this is a front mic. I think it's a front mic. Here, I think your SD card does go on the side right here. I believe so. Where the reset button is. If I can get this thing to open. Greatest things in the world, guys, is the fundle around with. Oh, it already has an SD card in here. Let's see how big this SD card in here is. And it says 4 gigabytes for the SD card on the box. And yet you have it right here. If the thing was on, Zoom, I have a bigger SD card for it, but that's 4 gigabytes. Untested, so I don't know if it's legit, but I'm sure these products, since they're so costly, they would be a little bit legit. I know a lot of you guys uses their GPS thing. Okay, so for you guys that don't have extra USB connections for your camera, you have your own isolated carport. I don't know what this arrow is for. Oh, I see. Oh, that makes sense. Yeah. So if you wanted to take over your cigarette lighter, whatever you have, you would do it like that. Have this end plugged in here, and say la vie. So let me go ahead and strap this up and get it started for you guys, and see y'all guys in like a half second. So we end up hooking it up here. I'm gonna run the cord to the back because I didn't have another outlet cord, you know. So let's go ahead and give it a gander. What happens here when you turn it on? Listen to that cute ass. Wow. And that's how it looks. You guys are in the future. I don't think I'm putting no videos on right now, but you guys in the future are gonna see. Does it instantly start recording when it cuts on? Yes, it does. Stop. Forward. It is in cycle mode, I think. Let's go through the modes real quick. Jesus. For you people. Can I get it to focus for you guys? Let's see if I take the, I don't like taking stuff off, but it's reflective as all I get it. Nope. Oh, the modes is literally, oh, there's no, it's not a touch screen? Oh, okay. Great. I was about to say you just delete it like that. Let me see what. Oh no, you go through the stuff of it. How do you what? Oh, okay, so you use that. Delete this file. Yes. Oh, easy to delete. That's cool. You just boom, 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 boom. Okay, so I took a picture as well. Right. Okay, so that's easy. Resolution. I'm trying to help you guys see this. Resolution. Video quality. So no, Jesus. Resolution. Video quality. Let's try. It says S fine. It's super fine. Okay. I gotta understand this menu before I do anything else. So it's okay. There we go. Lord have mercy on my soul here, guys. Looping recording, right? 1 minute. 5 minutes. 1 minute. Okay, so I literally got 30 clips I can take of minutes, which that'll be gone in no time because of how much stuff I see. Okay. Then you got motion detect. Don't turn it on, please, because everything is motion detect. You probably want to do that when you're sitting, but still, it picks up everything in a loop of a minute. Power on record. Yee, give or take. Power off delay. Power on delay. I don't know what that means. Mic, time lapse, I'm glad I have a time-lapse vehicle ID. Let's see. Oh, it's a bunch of numbers. Numbers. Yeah, I'm going to set all the... Whoa, no. All right. Yep, and that's it. Format, time setup, timestamp. Oh, that's actually set up time. I think that is what's needed. This is a 2004. It's got overheated. Sorry, my camera ended up overheating. But like I said, it has other features cut up by itself. But yeah, that's about it. Like I said, you got your SD card over here, your extra audio. I think if you want to add a new mic or whatever, you can put that on the side there, or whatever the case may be. Or I think listen to your replays and stuff like that, whatever the case may be. But we're gonna have lots of fun with this. I'm gonna get lots of videos of people cutting me off, people going slow, people going faster. You're gonna see them coming from over here, you're gonna see them coming from over there, and you're gonna see them everywhere. And I'm gonna have a couple of more camera angles for you guys too as well, in future videos once I get it set up and get my mind around the effect of doing all this. But this is the first initial to get me going. So yeah, that's about it. This is the unboxing of the McNally 100. I looked at 500 and ain't nothing but like $60 more. I'm kind of disappointed, but I'm gonna actually get that too. So I'll probably have one right here and one right there. And they'll be like, why you have two for? Well, one is gonna sit right there and one is gonna sit right there. So yeah, other than that, that's it, guys. I hope you had a good understanding of what's going on. Ask any questions in the comments below, and I'll talk to you guys a little later.